Welcome to today's MTD Daily. We do this every day of the working week, and today I'm joined by Jonathan Wright from Colchester Machine Tools Solutions. Jonathan, welcome to the show today. Now it's been quite a big year for not just yourself but the business as well. I mean, you became managing director in August last year, and of course the company moved into its new location in Elland. How are things for you and the business?
Yeah, like you say, it's been a very interesting and fast-moving year. We moved into our new facilities just 12 months ago now. So the opening ceremony was in May 2019, and as you say, I took over as managing director of Colchester Machine Tools Solutions in August of 2019. So it's been an interesting year. It's been very fast-moving. But since we moved into the new facility, we've certainly seen, huge step forwards and huge benefits for the business, particularly from a customer experience point of view. And having this showroom facility here has been an excellent addition to us.
I think that's so important with the capital goods that you sell, the machine tools that you sell, and associated products, for people to be able to come along and kind of touch and feel them, but have that really nice, warming user experience, which kind of shouts from your perspective, service, support, the whole lot, doesn't it? I mean, you're quite a big organisation, not just focusing on the UK domestic market either, overseas as well.
Yeah, that's right. We have a very strong UK market, but a very strong export market as well. And for us, when we moved here, it was all about the customer experience. We wanted to be able to bring customers in from not just from the UK, but from all over Europe and from all over the world, into this this good setting, have all the products available for people to use. We can set demos up for people, we can tailor them to their specific components, and they can see the whole portfolio, from machine tools to permanent laser marking systems as well.
Now, what I think is fascinating as well about the company is in recent over the period of the last year or so, you've introduced new products, the turning centres, the machining centres, the Storm and the Typhoon, as well as the permanent marking products that you mentioned. You were going to be going to MAC in April, but of course that's been postponed till next year. What are some of the things that you would have been showing there, Jonathan?
Yeah, so MAC for Colchester was going to be a very big and very exciting event for us. So we were looking at launching what we called our 5 innovations. So they were the next generation of Alpha manual CNC hybrid machine, which is generation 6 now. We were going to be launching the new era in manual turning, which is our Manual Machine Plus machine range. We were going to be showcasing for the first time our full range of permanent laser marking solutions, and as well as that, we were demonstrating automation, and then also our design and engineering capabilities as well. So those are the 5 innovations that we were looking to launch at MAC this year. Now, obviously, with the postponement of MAC, we're still going ahead very much with those product launches, but we'll just be doing them in a slightly different format.
Now you've got the facility you've got there. Do you think you'll have an event when things change to be able to accommodate people there? Do you think you'll kind of maybe show off some of these sooner rather than later at your place?
Yeah, most definitely. So I think that the launches of the new products will come in 2 formats. So there'll be a softer launch through, like yourselves and other media outlets. We'll look to showcase and promote the machines. But then once we get back to some kind of normality, we'll certainly be hosting a physical event here at our European Technology Centre, where we can demonstrate and showcase all the new products as well as the rest of the portfolio.
Good stuff. And business as usual for you at the moment, Jonathan. Well, I say as usual, but it's obviously we're trading under pretty difficult circumstances, but you're managing to keep your heads above water.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, it's obviously very challenging out there. Many of us are facing the same challenges. We're all in this together. But I have to say, the staff here have been working extremely hard to make sure that from a customer perspective, it's as business as normal as much as it can possibly be in the current circumstances. So pretty much from day one, we set up all our support staff working from home. So we made sure that the IT infrastructure and the technology held up, to ensure that from a customer point of view there was uninterrupted support. And yeah, we're very much open for business. We're working very closely with all of our customers. For those that are requiring physical machines delivering, we're making sure that we're delivering them to the timescales that they need. From a spares point of view, we're still very much open and supporting our customer base, not just in the UK but globally as well. And I think more importantly, we have our technical support help desks fully up and running. And we're working in different ways now than what we've been used to. So we're using a lot more of virtual technology, a lot more online conferencing, video technology, but we're using those tools along with the support desks to help customers out, and to help them overcome any issues that they may be having at the moment.
I think what you've just said there is pertinent to what we've just been doing with your colleague Paul Buckley as well, doing an online demonstration of a robot feeding a lathe, and then a permanent marking machine attached to that as well. So it just shows these things can be done remotely. I know engineers do like to touch and feel, and of course they'll be able to do that at your place soon, I'm sure. Jonathan, thank you very much for joining us. Look forward to seeing you in Elland at some point, maybe over the summer when you're looking at really getting the message out there about these products. But in the meantime, keep safe, and no doubt we'll talk to you soon. They have it, Colchester Machine Tools Solutions. Now, they moved into their new place, as Jonathan quite rightly said, in May last year. It is a very awe-inspiring facility there. Lots of machines on show, under power, and I'm sure, as Jonathan said, there'll be an event there at some point in the near future to check out the new technology. Join us again same time tomorrow for another Daily News.